हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो आज का दिन देखा जाए तो फ्रॉम द लास्ट 2-3 months to this day was the a memorable day. A memorable day, not for a profit but for a loss. Like, while making this video I was thinking that what should I keep the title, that expressing my views on the every stocks and every each and every update. So the thing I thought that let's today focus on the loss side, because profit तो हर कोई बताता है कैसे लेना है, कैसे बुक करना है, but even the booking the loss is the it's also like वो भी एक art है. It's not like that you will wait and wait and wait and wait, and when you book the loss is too big that it is unbearable and you hate it to book the loss. In fact, you hate to see the stock in red. Then what happens sometimes that you take the first loss so big that second में थोड़ा ही होते बेच देते हो, and then the stocks took the pull back and it goes up again. And this thing I'm saying from my experience, क्योंकि ये मेरे साथ भी पहले हो चुका है. So yeah, today's video is giving an update of my holdings, and with the game in like like I was telling to my one of the friend that how stock market treat me today, which was very brutal. Sorry, because the thing was like at morning I was not happy. I'm not saying that I was emotionally very happy, but like I was like, okay, everything is going good, and everything shifted from 10 o'clock, and thing was unpredictable. And the most I'm telling you these things while showing the Nifty 50 chart, because just see the chart. The game has been played by the sellers. ऑप्शन बाइंग्स वाले के भी बहुत वाट लगी रहेगी, बिकॉज टुमारो इज द हॉलीडे एंड द शीट इज लाइक दैट. ना मार्केट गिरा है ना मार्केट बढ़ा है, बट एवरी स्टॉक हैज फॉलन वेरी बैडली. Like and I was saying in my past also that until it doesn't goes up above the green line, you know, I'm not sure that stock like market won't go downside. And this today's day showing a big halt on the market side, and बाकी का मैं आगे बताऊंगा जो भी होल्डिंग्स में था. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. कि फिन तो बेच दिया था तो बात करके मतलब नहीं है. सो द थिंग इज अबाउट ज्योति लैब. ज्योति लैब didn't have a much volume, but the thing was that it feels little bad when your stock is trying to perform and at the same time market is falling, and it is unable to make perform. And now the thing is that if stocks falls below the 20 moving average, I'm gonna book the profit whatever I'm having, because now things like you can't see each and every stocks to go to the break even point. So better I should take steps on 20 moving average as I take in on every trades. कार ट्रेड पे तो मैंने कल ही लॉस बुक कर दिया था when it was down by, actually it was down by 8%, but I took loss on 6% only. So my loss was nearly 2%, which was also very shocking, like because the yesterday it was the day it was has gone by 4% up, and making that weeks. And I don't know that car tech में कोई news भी नहीं आया that what is going bad with it. But if they are making candles like this on a regular day, then something is bad going to come, or it already happened but अभी तक news भी नहीं आया. So that can be the thing, because price tells everything, and you should be only see price if you are a technical analysis. Don't see the news, and don't see like seeing the news is the another thing, and making your point on watching news is the another point. So कहने का मतलब वही है कि दैट न्यूज़ पे देख के अपना ओपिनियन नहीं बनाना चाहिए. If you are a technical analyst, if you say yourself a chartist, then you shouldn't. Senko is the another heartfelt setback which I got today because it was up by 8.5% to 9%, and you can see rest is history, 1.65% up. But I don't know, like it was feeling bad that when you are like in morning my total portfolio was up by 1.62%, 1.6.2, which is quite good for a day if your whole portfolio is going up like this. And then it was when it was afternoon, it was in a good loss, and I'll show you the loss side because today I'm gonna, you know, the video is all about the taking loss only and seeing the loss, and then how you feel about and how you should feel. I mean, कैसा feel करना चाहिए loss को देख के. Uh, that Skinner is the one thing which which fucked me up. If this was like अगर this would be ending of the day, मैं स्टॉक को एक बार होल्ड करता था, हाफ क्वांटिटी में होल्ड करता था. बट व्हेन आई बुक द लॉस इट वाज इन द on the day's low, and it was continuous falling when I was watching the market and seeing the market. मुझे लगा कि मे बी ये एक्सटेंशन हो सकता है, so मैंने सेल कर दिया, and then it shook up. So yeah, I sold the stock when it was 1.2% down, and I booked the profit of 5%. And that's the thing. This is the first loss I'm talking about I took today, and I'll show you the more. Uh, and the second is this still holding, which is eating my profit. And even I am gonna thinking about this that I'll, if it's taking the break even point, I'll take the exit. Like I'm not gonna let the stock take my, like मैं उसे लॉस में जाने नहीं दूंगा. I'll exit before it goes into losses, because if market is in a bad side, कितना भी तुम मेहनत कर लो, at the end your stock is not gonna perform the way you want. So better to stay with your cash and keep calm for sometimes. As I'm having a business, so I'll keep more eyes into business for some days, and I'll just watch markets like on screens only, like won't take some trades. So that's my thing, that it is good to sit sometimes. Like अगर आपने मार्क माइनर की book पढ़ी होगी, so in that he says that when the market was going in a downtrend and bear market, uh, he didn't took the trade for 3 months or something, and still he was standing with a good ranks in US investing championship. So things can go in that way also. Like I won't say that I told I like Mark Miner is a gem. He is a beast, and yeah, uh, I still read the same book and I try to learn something new. So this is my thinking according to the book, that I we should also do the same also. Only Jyotish structure, as you see, I sold at, this was the 5% of circuit, and I was worried. Next day जैसे वो 1% down पे खुला, I took this loss, and my stop loss was around 6%. And as I मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि that ऐसे गिरने वाला है, but आज भी वो at the lower circuit लगी, which was I don't know, like the thing I worried about the these circuit things only, that once it hit you can't exit it, and you are just, अगर मैं नहीं बेचता तो 555 I would be down by 15%, and वो 15% कवर अप करने के लिए मुझे 20% अर्न करना पड़ता. सो ये एक बहुत बड़ा गैप आ जाता था, एंड द थिंग इज दैट आई डोंट वांट टू क्रिएट दैट गैप, and I get to know that thing about that. Take the small loss and stand with the big profits. So I try कि मेरा stop loss कभी 5% से ज़्यादा exceed ना करे, max to max 6%, so I can recover if I go wrong, so I can recover fast. High tech is, like I don't know what should I say, but high tech is, it was very fluctuating. 4.2% से वो 1.1% पे आ गया था, and again it goes up, which is quite good. And we are standing on the 10% of the profit, I think. Yeah, 10% profit. which is quite good, and it's time to book some profit. So on Monday we'll see. I hope the market goes well, so we can, so I can stay with some of my stocks. Like, sometimes I feel bad. It's not about market is going down. It feels bad because I'm out of all my trades and I don't have anything to watch on my watch list कि आज मेरे ट्रेड्स क्या कर रहे हैं, because it's a full nil for some days. And then मुझे कुछ नहीं, मुझे इधर उधर मार्केट देखना पड़ता है. I'm just seeing the top gainers, top losers, top 52 week highs and top 52 week lows. And that's the, like, for me is the worst thing I have to see. And I don't like to see that, because seeing your own stocks, that's the best thing for me. NBCC has given, has playing very bad, and I am down by 2-3%, and I'm holding till about 15 moving average. And I don't know, I don't think so that stocks can go bad, but seeing the selling side, I'm unable to predict what can be thing can be happen. So let's see. Ratan India was the shit. We sold it. It got up today. Like वो कल 12-13% तक up गया था. And then it, पूरा का पूरा मीन्स सेलिंग आ गया था. Like, which was really terrible. Like, terrible watch. Electro still leave it. And this is the second worst thing I'm talking about today. It's PTC. PTC, within 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes, वो 3% से 5% तक भागा था, with a very great volume. Like, the volume was that there, 50,000 to 80,000 का volume आया था, like within 2-3 minutes. So I thought that maybe some big trader is coming in. सो आई टुक द ट्रेड अगेन एट सेम पॉइंट विच आई एम बाइंग, क्योंकि मुझे बाय करने का मौका ही नहीं मिला. जब मैंने बाय पे क्लिक किया, इट वॉज ऑलरेडी ऑन द हाई, एंड द मोमेंट आई बाय, आफ्टर 20-30 minutes इट स्टार्टेड सेलिंग डाउन. एंड दोपहर तक इसका ये हाल हो गया. आई नो लाइक, लास्ट ऐसा कभी मेरे साथ हुआ था मुझे याद नहीं है, बिकॉज आई डोंट नो कभी ऐसा हुआ भी था. बट आई एम डाउन बाय 4% on day one only. I'm very shocked about that. So let's see about tomorrow. If it crosses today's low, I'll you know I'll sell the stock. And I we don't have words to say that how bad it goes. Like, it has gone. So you know I'll sit sometime, out, like after 2 days, if market doesn't go well. So I won't take new trades. I'll sit for some days, and like I'll watch and let the market, make a view. अगर नीचे जाना है तो नीचे जाए, ऊपर जाना है तो ऊपर जाए, साइड में थोड़ा रहना है तो साइड में रह ले, बट थोड़ा कहाँ पे तो रह ले, फिर मैं वापस ट्रेड्स लेने चालू करूँगा. So I'm hoping that for next 3-4 days I won't take. Punjab scene has been gone. There is nothing left in this Punjab scene right now. Token was the stock I was talking about when it was here, and I was waiting. And जब यहाँ पे आया था कल, I was happy. I was really happy, and I was thinking to buy today. But क्या करूँ? सारा gap up खुला. Like, gap up is the worst thing at in morning you can see if you want to buy that stock. Like, लेने का मौका ही नहीं मिला, and it is up by 20%. What should I say? Like, 6-7% से था. अगर, like, it's impossible. I'm never gonna take trades like this. 6% से up था. अगर मैं तभी भी लेता तो भी 14% मुझे प्रॉफिट मिलता था in day one, which is totally awesome. But नहीं था हाथ में, तो कुछ भी नहीं मिला यहाँ पे. HBL Power is the stock I bought tomorrow, and I am in a sum about plus, not totally 2.67, but nearly 1% or something. I'm in plus, and let's see. Stock is a strong side, and hope everything goes good. And I'll just say loss profit hota rahega. Just go with the system and take a chill pill. So that's it for today. Bye bye. See you in next video.